Good morning, guys. I'm here, guys. You know what? We we just using now is our air condition, portable air condition, because our humidity is very. I don't know what is the humidity today. I think it's. Hmm, I want to see it. 69, I think, guys. 69 degrees today. So in Philippines, so Dumaguete is 69, yeah. So you could see now, I can say that we just using our portable. We're running now, we're starting our running our portable air conditions of Medea, because long time this one we don't use it. I just installed lately I just installed this our portable air condition, so we need it now, because you could see this how hot now. Even our car, we just cover it. That's so very hot. The motorcycle of Walters, this bike motorcycle, just also cover it. So that's what the situation here outside. How hot it is. Even it is bunch of fresh trees here and green garden, so still very hot, guys. And you know what, this is a long time we never use it, our portable air condition. Just now this week this weekend we no just this week only, guys. We just use this started. And you know what, we never use for. I bought this a long time. It's 2020, yeah, when we since we back here in Philippines, in my city town, Cagayan de Oro. Even it was COVID time, we just go here because I promised already. I'm gonna go here in back my town 2020, because we have a plan for my husband to do in our condo, because since I fully paid our equity, down payment equity, it's a fully paid, so they never yet turned over with us for I think it's almost 6 months. But we consider it because it's COVID, but it's still already build it, and they have already I think only completed already, but I think they have a problem with the electricity power. Our electric power there is Sipalco still cannot install it. They did already inspection everything, but the installations for connecting the live from our electric power, so it doesn't yet install it. So that's why we just go back and check it, the situations of our condo, why it's take along like that, because we're planning to remodel, because you know what is the unit in the studio is just only a plain, so nothing is there, just only a sink, a little sink, so we want to remodel it to look for somebody could could construct it. My our contractor could make it a nice our condo. So yeah, it's when we be there. So finally we just back, and we bought this with my I let them my daughter to buy this in Medea, because she is working in Medea company in quality appliance, and then he have handling two marketing distributor of Medea company. So, and J marketing, yeah, she's also there working it. And then but she is long in quality. She's a good promodizer in, I think she was a top promodizer. Then they let her to transfer to G marketing to make it good, the marketing, they're selling products. So she was just transferred there, and then yeah, until COVID they needed to take it out, because mostly that time nobody buying so much appliances. So she was just what's it taking out employees. So she was just one of them, also was no longer, because G marketing is very very small business for it comes to appliances. So yeah, that's what happened. And she was now in Qatar, working there in a boat, when she have no job that time. So she needed it because she have kids. They need to be having for their living. So she plan to ask for me to go abroad. So I just tell her, yeah, go, because you need it for your kids, because I cannot support all the time for her living like this. So yeah, it's happened. And also his husband is also that time they have job, both of them. So I let her to go abroad. So that's okay, guys. And now I just talk about this, the Medea that we just installed. For how long it is, we never use it, just only that time 2020 when we back. I think it's December. Then we go back to US April. Then the month of April 2021. So we just never use this, and my kids doesn't use it because it's in Binaur, because it's they scared to pay more electricity like that. So I let them to say that keep it and put in the back. So it's still good. Now we're just using it. We bring here in Dumaguete just to cargo, shipping cargo here in Epic Cargo shipping here. Just we spend this bunch of money for shipping here. This recliner, we have it, the two recliners. This we have many boxes. I sent it. It's, I think I spent it 46,000 for the boxes that I ship here for the AP Cargo shipping. So that's okay, guys. It's worth because we can use it. Still, we can use it. We need it. All the stuff we have it. So yeah, we get now here, and what we did it. So I installed this. I made it like this in the side of the glass window. So I put here a hook up there, and I get idea to do this the pipe hose there to exhaust the hot. So I got that. So the owner was wondering what I'm doing in their window. So I tell them that I hook up my portable air conditions that 1 HP Medea. So we had got a problem with this for just lately, guys, that in our back is leaking. This one is leaking here, that side now is no longer, I'm so glad it's no longer leaking there. This drain lock. So we found out that first when I hook up this is I put this off. They wonder why I put a bucket to drain there. So so many water came out, and then I was wondering why is it like this all the time. We need to drain the water in the buckets to outside. So I said, I think when I bought this, when we used this, I think there is a cup of this. I hope you can see this, guys. I hope we have a cup of this. So that's why I look in the box. So I found this. So now the problem is other day I found both of us husband found it. We always water there leaking in the floor, so he always do the mop in the floor because too much water. But inside there's no. I drain it, and because they have both outside, you can drain it. They have a plug like this, and a small one here to the bottom. You could drain it to take it out the water, because the drain pan of evaporator of this air conditioner cannot evaporate the water totally, because like this situation is too much hot, and too much hot, so probably always running the cooling of the easy air condition. So the problem is cannot dry it all there. So it's gonna be happen. It's gonna be drained probably this here, this here. So I call somebody of my nephew to ask, because he's also working in Medellin, and I asked him because he is recommended with my daughter, because she has no job before. So my daughter let him to work in the recommended to their boss to work with same as her company. So my nephew was there already. She was assigned in a business on the mall. So I'm glad that he have already a job. So he's good, because she have a place, location is very good selling, so in the mall, so plenty time. Robinsons. So now I just wonder this, and I told him why always this leaking their water. So he said, Auntie, you need to make it drain sometime because it's gonna be hot. And so I don't think so. That, also my husband think that doesn't something wrong with this because you get a plug, a cover plug of the hose. This is when you use the hose. This is the connection. So here, if you want to drain in your bucket, so I cannot use all the time because you cannot put our hose outside just to drain there all the time, because this is inside the living room, so it's hard to use all the time this. So I lock this. I lock this. Then there is something still making bad, drifting the water in the easy. So I just call, and then he said that until you need to drain sometime that inside this water. So we did already. My husband, I said we did that both side. We drain it. So but it's still drifting. So I wonder. My husband also wondered. So something I asked him if we need I think we needed basket like this, baskets for this, so something to cover it, because maybe the water will still drifted, because there's no blocking in the what to call this, something they have a hole that the water, the hose plug, the hose plug, yeah, the hose, you could put the hose and something, there's no gasket to close it. So yeah, she said, yes, Auntie, and she said for me, guys, Auntie, you need have yeah, she gave me a sample of the other unit of this, that there is something that she opened it, the sample of the other unit, and she tried to and then check it inside it, in the drain plug for the hose. So we found it. There is a small one that they called it drain stopper. So there is a missing like this long, like this in my finger. It's a long that look like a hose. It's like a plastic, but it's like a tube, like a tube that you can insert it inside the drain, the drain hose. You need to put there, but they call it a drain stopper. So we don't have that. I'm looking in my box, we don't have it. So we needed to find out where we can buy it, because my nephew said, no, I cannot provide you like that, Auntie, because it's one set when you bought that. But I said that, where did you buy it? It's your ate. I said your cousin ate, because that's her their ate. she is my daughter is an elder. So and your ate, I bought the to your company the same. Yeah. Oh, auntie, I cannot provide it. So we need to find out with my husband. We go to online video online. I hope we can find it the product something, but we cannot order it because it's in the US. Guys, better in the US we can get it, but you cannot. They cannot shipping here. They don't have only in states, so it's hard to order it. Medea's parts, so it's hard. So I don't know where we can find it. So I just made it yesterday a remedy. So I got a little it's like a rubber circle I get in the 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 drain gasket of the drain washing machine fully washing machine. I have an extra in my fully washing machine. They have from connections for the host, so I take it out and then I try it to put there, and there is a hole in the center, but I try to close it, put aluminum foil, so I get it na foil, then I just put there a little bit to close and so I try it, it's fit, then I close and tight it. So I so glad it's work, guys, but the problem is I don't know, it's take long, but I think there's nothing anymore. It's still good now. I don't see anymore. So I don't see anymore. I don't feel any more water. So only the floor, because yesterday that one in my rug mat. So no, I went it's perfect. So I try. You can, I don't know. We didn't need it anymore to find the parts. So yes, guys, then that's it. I could share it. This product. So it would portable. At last we can cooling every room, because this is a good product, portable. Then cooling it, so wonderful. We have this, and thank you for viewing our YouTube channel, Mel Waltz Expat, guys. So this is my partner, my buddy, my hubby. So here we go, and have a wonderful day for this Holy Week. Yesterday is a Palm Sunday, so happy Palm Sunday to everyone. So it's a Monday, Holy Monday today. So we're gonna start for our Easter. We're gonna start our Lenten seasons. Sorry, and Sunday it's gonna be our Easter Sunday. So have a wonderful, and thank you. Bye bye to all.